This is Nate with Tackle Bandit. Oh, Richard and Jamie. She's just tied up doing other stuff today. Nice enough to drive all the way out here to Oklahoma.
Drive all the way out here to loan him a boat. Oklahoma, if you don't like the weather, just wait.
That's right. Go check out the JR Facebook page. He slammed a good one this morning. Well, almost first thing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You got to go check it out.
As some people would say, big chungus.
Yeah, big chungus. There we go.
The good thing is full-time, Nate, change your view and you're going to catch that fish. First board.
Oh, it's already pulled back in.
He's got to be.
If you just step backwards, I'll drag your board. There's still weight there.
Catch like a 20 on these rods. This is going to be the best day ever. Two-pound fish just up on the surface, flipping.
You might go 3.
I was like, I don't know if you should buck flip him.
Look at that monster. That's the secret right there. Secret sauce. Oh. The wind wasn't that bad when we were throwing the net, though.
No, it
actually helped.
It calmed down. We caught bait. It picked up. We got over here, started dragging. And
one just slammed his rod. Get him. You got him?
I don't know. Maybe.
Or did you lose him again?
Nope, still got him.
All right. Hey. No bad.
During the day, it doesn't matter if it's like super stormy, cloudy, whatever.
Look at that. Look at that guy go. He's on there.
Oh, he actually had a decent thump on the line.
Look at that rod bend.
Little bait. Mess my bait up a little bit. Ow! set the hook on my pinky. Studs.
If you're within
Nate.
Nate. Alright, this is the biggest one of the day so far. I gotta tighten this up.
I called that one.
That's not even very
Oh.
Is it on this camera?
Yep. And then you gotta come show the magnet. Oh, there he is. Had to catch up to him. Studs all day.
All day, every day.
Fishing.
I think you got one, sir. And what a perfect. He's little, isn't he?
Digging.
What a bunch of slime, though. I hadn't seen the fish yet. Oh, that's a today fish. We're probably about 10 or so.
You might want to investigate that. You have a ball of line just laying on the surface right now. There he goes.
You need one of those flip down visors. It ain't very big, but it came right up to the top.
Which one was clicking?
This one over here, I don't know. Is it on this one?
Yeah.
Monster. Over the shoulder.
Nothing but biggins. But it's so overly heavy.
Oh,
Is Nate gonna double up?
I don't know. Nah, set. It's not on the surface yet, though. That's a good sign. He's swimming right towards us.
He might be bigger than you think. I don't know that you've really moved, changed his. Oh.
There you go.
All right, guys. Well, microphones are all about to die. Love you later. Bye.